Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rose. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video and comment. I'm going to show you how I use Pattern Beauty and Eco Styler Gel to get this look. So first I'm going in with some water and making sure I drench my hair in water so that I can go ahead and prepare it to shampoo. I am going in with the Pattern Beauty Hydrating Shampoo. This shampoo is not hydrating at all. It felt like a clarifying shampoo. My scalp was very clean and my hair felt squeaky clean. And on the back, it says that it's a gentle lather to cleanse hair and scalp, removing buildup without stripping away moisture. And it definitely stripped away all the moisture out of my hair. And I felt like I had to use a lot of this shampoo to cleanse my hair properly, like how I would want it to. So I am down to like maybe a fourth of that little bottle just to cleanse my hair one time. Now I'm going in with the heavy conditioner for coilies. This is supposed to be great for coily and tight textures. However, this conditioner was very thick. It was hard to get out the container and it had zero slip, and this is the most crucial part of my wash day, as I need a conditioner with slip. And slip just means the ability to detangle your hair with the conditioner or any product in it. And I was struggling to detangle my hair with my fingers, so I used my wide tooth comb and it was still kind of hard to detangle my hair. And this conditioner can be used as a leave-in conditioner, or a rinse out conditioner, or a deep conditioner. So I used it as a deep conditioner and left it in for 10 minutes. When I rinsed it out, my hair was very soft, so I will give it that much. And I did go ahead and section my hair into 4 sections to make sure that I can get an even distribution of product on my hair. This product, I would recommend it for looser textures. I wish I got the intensive one, but I couldn't pick. So I'm going in with the leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner was very nice. Like, it had so much slip in it. I was able to easily glide my fingers through my hair. It did leave me with a slight bit of definition, but not enough for me to just leave my hair like that on its own. So this is probably the only product I would recommend you guys get. Everything else was a no for me, like a hard pass no. I do like to apply my leave-in conditioner in the shower. Your hair will be super hydrating and soft. Trust me, it won't dry out. Now I'm going in with the curl gel. This gel, I really wanted to like it, but I couldn't. Like, the consistency of the gel looks like lotion, first of all. Like, I ain't never seen no gel look like that. And second, it did have a lot of slip in it, but it was not giving me the definition that I needed, like the hardcore definition that I needed. This styling gel would be good for people with looser textures, like people with curly hair. It says that it's great for coilies, but it's not. It didn't work for me. As you can see here, I'm really trying to work the product in and it just wasn't it. Like, if it looks like that when it's wet, when it dries, it's gonna be worse. It's gonna be like a frizz ball, and I can't walk around in Florida with this humidity with frizzy hair. Like, I need my hair to be defined, like every strand defined, zero frizz. That's what I need. So I tried to give it another chance, and thank God I didn't do my whole head with this styling gel. Like, it just wasn't gonna work. They do have a stronghold gel, but they do not recommend it for wash and goes. So it is more geared towards slick backs and ponytails and styles like that, but I have seen other people use it for wash and goes. But the little container was so small for $9 that would only been good for like a fourth of my hair. So I switched gear and went straight into Eco Styler Gel. And here you can see, y'all, like, there is a difference, a huge difference. Like, look at the curls. They are clumping together. They're super defined. Zero frizz. Like, when I say a gel definition, that's what I mean. Eco Styler never fails me at all. At all. Just look at that. I'm going ahead and shingling it and raking the product through, and the definition is just immaculate. Don't forget y'all roots, y'all. Do not forget the roots, because you're going to have a puffy mess and it's just not going to look cute. Make sure you get product and gel from your roots down to your tips. So I'm going to go ahead and turn around and show y'all from the back view what it looks like. Look at that. Bouncy, stringy curls. Like, yes. Now I'm happy. I'm adding some more water, and look at that definition up close. Woo, man. Looks great. That's what I like. Yep. So now I'm going ahead and making sure I shingle to get the maximum definition possible for my coils. And yeah, guys, just look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair off camera, but I did want to give you a back view of my hair and a side by side with just leave-in on one side and then leave-in in the gel. Look at that difference. So I did go ahead and finish my hair off camera, and I'm loving the results. Just look at that. 360. Beautiful. So we have reached the end of this video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and comment down below which products you would like to try. And if you have tried them, let me know how they work for you. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next week.